Hello everyone, welcome to this series on English tenses. Today our topic is present perfect tense. Now our first question is, what is present perfect tense? The present perfect tense is like a bridge that connects the past to the present. It helps us to talk about things that happened before and still matter now. Let's look into the example. I have a book. This example tells us I got a book in the past and I still have it now. When we use the present perfect tense with an unspecified time, we are indicating that an action happened at some point in the past, but we are not saying exactly when. Let's understand with example. I have eaten breakfast. It means I ate breakfast at some point in the past, but I don't say when. Let's practice it with another example. She has visited Paris. She visited Paris at some point in her life, but I don't know when. Always remember, we use has with he, she, it and singular noun. And we use have with I, we, they and plural noun. Now the question is how to make a sentence in present perfect tense. To form simple or positive sentences, we need to follow the following structure. Subject, the auxiliary verb has or have, and past participle. For example, she has written 3 books. We have visited London twice. Here are some important points to remember. With regular verbs, we add ed, like walk, walked. And with irregular verbs, we use the correct form of past participle, like go, gone. To form negative sentences, you just need to add not after the auxiliary verb has or have. Let's understand with example. She has not written 3 books. We have not visited London twice. To form interrogative sentences, the auxiliary verb has or have comes first. Let's understand it with example. Has she written 3 books?